Welcome back to the channel. The 1997 Toyota Sienna didn't arrive to steal headlines or dominate magazine covers. It arrived quietly, with purpose. Toyota wasn't trying to build a performance machine or a luxury icon. They were trying to build something far more important, a vehicle that could become part of people's lives. The first-generation Sienna was designed for families, for daily routines, for long road trips, and for moments that don't make the news but make memories. In the late 1990s, the automotive world was changing. SUVs were getting bigger, sedans were getting sleeker, and minivans were often treated like afterthoughts. Toyota took a different approach. Instead of building a box on wheels, they created a van that felt like a large, comfortable car. The Sienna was based on the Camry platform, and that influence showed in how it drove, how it rode, and how it treated its passengers. From the outside, the first-gen Sienna looks calm and friendly. Its rounded shape was modern for the time, replacing the sharp, angular look of older vans. The front end is soft and approachable, with simple headlights and a clean grille. The body lines flow smoothly from front to back, giving it a sense of motion even when it's standing still. This wasn't a vehicle meant to intimidate, it was meant to welcome. One of the most practical features is the sliding side door. It's more than just a design choice, it's a daily lifesaver. In tight parking lots, at schools, at grocery stores, that sliding door makes everything easier. Kids can get in and out without hitting other cars. Parents can load bags, strollers, and gear without stress. It's a small thing that makes a big difference. Under the hood sits a 3.0-liter V6 engine, shared with the Toyota Camry. It produces smooth, reliable power. This engine isn't about speed, it's about confidence. When you press the accelerator, the Sienna moves forward without drama. Merging onto highways, passing slower traffic, or climbing hills with a full load of passengers feels easy and controlled. The engine runs quietly, reinforcing the calm nature of the van. The Sienna uses a front-engine, front-wheel drive layout, which gives it predictable handling and great traction in everyday driving conditions. Whether it's rain, snow, or dry pavement, the Sienna feels stable and secure. The suspension is tuned for comfort, soaking up bumps and rough roads. You don't feel every crack in the pavement, you glide over it. Long trips feel relaxed, and short trips feel effortless. Step inside, and the Sienna really shows what it was built for. The cabin is wide, open, and welcoming. There's space to move, space to breathe, and space to live. The seats are comfortable and supportive, designed for long hours on the road. Depending on the configuration, you get seating for up to 7 passengers, with flexible arrangements for people or cargo. The dashboard design is simple and honest. No confusing layouts. No unnecessary gimmicks. Big buttons, clear gauges, and controls exactly where you expect them to be. This was before touchscreens took over, and there's something refreshing about that simplicity. You don't need to learn the car, you just drive it. Storage is everywhere. Cup holders, door pockets, center bins, rear compartments. Everything has a place. Toyota understood that families carry more than just passengers, they carry life. Toys, snacks, backpacks, groceries, sports gear. The Sienna was designed to handle it all without feeling cluttered. The driving position is upright and commanding. You sit high, with a great view of the road. That gives you confidence in traffic and makes long drives less tiring. Passengers in the second and third rows also get good visibility, which keeps everyone comfortable and relaxed. What truly made the first-generation Sienna special, though, wasn't its design or even its comfort, it was its reliability. These vans earned a reputation for lasting forever. Families bought them, drove them every day, and kept them for years. Some kept them for decades. They became part of the family. The Sienna didn't demand attention. It didn't break often. It didn't complain. It just worked. And in the real world, that's what matters most. It survived school runs, road trips, late-night drives, early mornings, and everything in between. It carried kids to practice, families on vacations, and memories across states and seasons. Culturally, the 1997 Sienna represented a shift. It showed that minivans didn't have to be dull boxes. They could be smooth, refined, and comfortable. Toyota brought car-like driving into the minivan world, changing expectations for what a family vehicle could be. Compared to competitors of the time, the Sienna felt more refined, more polished, and more reliable. It wasn't the loudest. It wasn't the flashiest. But it was the one people trusted. Today, the first-gen Sienna stands as a reminder that great cars aren't always exciting. Sometimes they're essential. They don't chase trends. They solve problems. They support lives. They become part of the background of our stories, and that's exactly what makes them important. The 1997 Toyota Sienna didn't just move people. It carried childhoods. It carried family traditions. It carried everyday moments that turned into lifelong memories. And that's why, decades later, it's still respected, not as a showpiece, but as a quiet hero of real life. Another reason the first-generation Sienna became so beloved is the way it blended into everyday life without ever demanding attention. It didn't need to impress anyone at a stoplight. It wasn't designed to turn heads. It was designed to be trusted. And trust is something no marketing campaign can manufacture. It has to be earned over time, mile by mile. Owners often talk about their Siennas with a kind of quiet affection. Not excitement, not bragging, but respect. This was the van that never complained on cold mornings. The van that always started. The van that brought everyone home. When other vehicles came and went, the Sienna stayed. It also played a role in shaping how families traveled together. Road trips felt different in a Sienna. There was space to talk, to laugh, to argue, to sleep. Kids had room to spread out. Parents could relax behind the wheel. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with others.